Okay, guys, so honey, if you don't want to be on YouTube, you can slide over a little bit there, baby. Alright, so me two idiot niece them say them about do the makeup, you know. I mean I tell them nothing because they hot. I be go on them. Only can introduce yourself. This a woman I want to start with this. See me. Worst makeup artist ever.
But your face a fit though,
And this was the, oh God, me sorry for you know. I will teach you know.
No, you.
Alright,
they
me must
say
see.
this a fit us face.
Okay, that's how my face, because my face dirty. Then you brush off my little eyebrow, make your eyebrow phone already, you know? Lord God, Sash.
And this have start with?
You not do it on me nervous.
Come on.
Lord God of mercy. So you're not prime my face. You start alright. You're alright still. You put on, she's putting on foundation, guys.
Oh wait, something.
See them there.
See me take up one.
Pumpkin, take up one.
Take time within face.
Pumpkin. My face not dirty, still enough. You wipe it so hard. Wipe off my little color. A pat, yes, Pumpkin. See what you have to do, yeah.
Patty tea.
God damn was on you and my God. Alright, hot
How are
girl.
you? You have a cute when we do.
Alright, I'm not saying nothing else. Especially if you feel you mess up my eyebrow, you know.
No.
Jesus Christ, they alright man, they over jail. Half of me glam my eyebrow, them gone.
No. You're too lie, man.
Yes, look there. Alright, tell the truth.
Not never did here.
They
Not
gone.
never did there.
Yes,
Not never did here.
somebody did it when I tell me I was full of face. See right, that's so gone. Alright,
Right.
that's so. Alright.
Not when never did it. Pull up your head so. Then they say, you want to turn more here.
I could never.
The characters again?
No, tell Harry say me say. If me hold him tonight. Then me I call him.
See there.
Alright, so them just put on them foundation. Mess up me, when you see me eyebrow miggle, then tell me say nothing miss. Look, if your this come out nice, look, see this so gone. Me an idiot. But anyways, I'm not gonna go on.
What is it?
I'm here do it alright, yo.
Who make you never take that one, yeah? Because that this is strong and this is. Now I'm maybe going to hold you like a wow.
I like your tail, go kiss out.
I the little one, the little pretty one over there, so.
Which one?
Alright, okay. And I wish one you're gonna do. About.
Put on eyeshadow.
What?
So as only so you put on makeup foundation and gone.
Will we give me one now? I'm looking pretty.
Only know the eyeshadow and nice up people's face. At least on the foundation don't look bad.
You know, can't look bad.
Since you are ready.
Please.
Behave yourself. Ariana, stand up. Me eye close. Are you at the makeup? In color you want you.
No, Bobby. Ariana, you know that.
Lord Jesus. Can't bother. Then I don't know pumpkin. When I put on highlight and contour and blush. Bronzer.
Just like that.
We're not gonna put on no eyelash on you know.
Come on, make you put on it high your way.
That
We
not
know
work.
put on lash. We
That
know if you
not
put
work.
on lash.
I'm gonna use mascara for my eyebrow. That's the eyelash.
Not now.
Aren't you listen? Go sit down. You're there for a man. Ariana, don't get me upset. You're a child. You must learn to listen. Sure.
Bad one. Alicia run like saying never do nothing. He says sleeping. He run out like saying no do nothing.
Look not that.
Everyone gets it.
Then Sister Pumpkin. You know, go to church.
To do what?
They know you have a party and I want to go to church.
My God, Bobby, queen blush.
And I blush.
I will be.
Almighty God.
God forbid.
Eyeshadow me love.
Oh. Which color you like?
Anything you are doing. Anything you feel like. Anything you want.
It's a yellow one, Fanny. Auntie, look up for you.
No, anyone know why I'm doing it?
I'm not touch them over there so fast. I'm not for you.
Take that, you're me to hard to talk my show.
You don't look too bad. And you know, you're chatting.
What did I do on the
Who be tapping?
Oh, Jesus. Where are the pumpkin? What tea?
Me I investigate.
A mouse.
You know.
Take up something on the song and say people come at your
Me
place.
want the other part.
Oh.
No, you can say no.
You mean other part now? Oh, come and make your blush.
Where's something there?
Wow.
To make your eyelash, you black something.
You not even know what you mean.
Mascara.
Something like that.
You over there. See
Over
mascara
there,
in the sun. In the sun, you see it.
Booby, go by the side there now, Booby. Hey! Side like nah, no you.
Wait. You know how to use that done. I'm sure now, when me did little bit, and me used to use mascara alone, and my mascara done. Who can tell me where you put in a mascara when it's done?
Gel.
Gel.
Really?
Put one little bit of gel in there, yeah, to wet you up.
And it got
And it's
back?
got black. Look, it come exactly like the mascara.
Whoa.
Let me see it. Wait.
You know too much. So
You
it
know
can't
what?
go good.
From me little bit, me know that.
Touch it, but touch it. Movie man.
Come by till I go stick it up.
Mom, look at it. Come on. Two of them. No. Right.
Yeah, go on.
So me I go start. What else me I go do? Let me do something now.
When I go on, man, it look good. See the guys. That's my eyeshadow. Then I go on. Oh, Jesus, pumpkin.
They can be head.
So you do me such charm. I don't do a mascara. You have a mascara.
The way you use under this, auntie. You just dip it. Are you
Sure.
funny?
Where you put it?
See, you have the things.
Take time with a sister pumpkin. Nobody blind me, no.
I should have them
Family, you
now.
don't want to see the things them where you're not to do.
More than why you to come. You know, look tree bad.
Ray, booby, I want.
Hmm? You're behind the scene. Yeah, man.
I want you to drink. After them water.
Yeah, yeah.
We're not like Aisha get some cherry flower.
Like it? So when you here, so
We normally use wipes in them, but before you put on, you're normally supposed to do that first. So you put on your Oh, wait, let me put on mascara. Oh, Jesus.
Who be nice to say you're so honorable? Not honorable to all so we are so honorable.
Madam. Where's spring wrinkles. Don't put no more.
You know what no more?
Can't bother with that. That's gonna take long to wash. Next try. Hmm?
You're not gonna come.
Me hungry from morning. I know the makeup look good. I mean the makeup look good, Lord. Alright, what next? Una done now? Una have contour or nobody uses a contour, they use bronzer. Where's bronzer then? Bronzer. You put it to the sides here. To make it pretty. And you put some on the edge of the nose and then make my lips. That's all I want to do. I'm not killing you.
Where's that where you go? Where this one? Where you go?
Una
How
estimate.
you cheat?
Right here, so lady. Right here, so.
Oh.
And you here, you look like so. Run it out. It's like not too bright. Alright, we'll be on one now. Oh Jesus, pumpkin gone in circles. You tired? No sash, no done.
That look tree bottle.
See?
Let me know if it's big.